Since the days of Dolly the cloned sheep, Scotland has never been far from the headlines in the stem cell world, whether it's the first human trials for stem cell stroke treatment or potential new therapies for conditions like multiple sclerosis. The Medical Research Council Centre for Regenerative Medicine is a research organisation that occupies the lion's share of the SCRM building. Its director, Professor Charles French-Constant, says it's great to see everything coming together after years of planning. He says they wanted a really spectacular working environment for their scientists and clinicians, and they've managed to achieve that important goal.
In this very competitive and very important area of medicine, we need to be able to recruit the bright and the best to Edinburgh. And we wanted a building where people walked in and just said, wow, this is somewhere I'd really like to work. And we've achieved that, and we're very proud of it.
As well as the MRC unit, the new building will house state-of-the-art GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, facilities operated by Roslin Cells and the Scottish National Blood Transfusion Service. These are designed to accommodate the widest possible range of cell types and process technologies to enable the development of cell therapies from fundamental research all the way through to the manufacture of clinical-grade product. The new building is at the heart of the BioQuarter development, and Professor French-Constant says the positioning is critical.
The SCRM's proximity to the other research institutes of the university and the hospital and all of the future BioQuarter developments is absolutely critical for our long-term vision. What we want to do is quite genuinely go from bench to bedside with regenerative therapies, and for that we need scientists and clinicians embedded within an environment where patients can be given treatments, they can be assessed, lessons can be learned, taken back to the research laboratory, better treatments devised, and so on, and you have an iterative cycle that will really deliver this medicine. Regenerative therapies are really important. Conventional medicines are great for treating the cause of the damage. So an antibiotic, for example, will treat the infection, but it won't do anything to repair the damage that's been done. And there are some diseases, like multiple sclerosis, where the progressive phase of the disease is purely because of the body's inability to repair itself. So regenerative medicines are a whole new class of medicines that we see being taken alongside conventional medicines to not only treat the cause of disease, but also repair the damage done. And with an ageing population, that's a critical need.
The stated mission of the MRC SCRM is to gain fundamental understanding of stem cells, to use this knowledge to improve human health, and to provide leadership in training the next generation of basic and clinical scientists in stem cell biology and regenerative medicine. Edinburgh already has a worldwide reputation in the field, and Professor French-Constant explains how the new centre will build on that.
We'll build on our worldwide reputation by working with the scientists we already have to produce cutting-edge new regenerative therapies. We'll also recruit, as I said, the brightest and the best from around the world to add to the scientists we've already had, and we'll take advantage of all of the interactions that we have on this BioQuarter site with the hospital next door and all of the other university research institutes to generate this incredible synergy that will really catalyse the development of regenerative medicines. The future is amazingly exciting.